Welcome back to the third and final segment of the Loveland Report and the Lone Ranger Show. We've been talking about locking in, floating down rates, how mortgage rates plummeted this week. And we're talking about Trump may declare a housing emergency. We're going to dive into the vacation home market this segment real quick. I've got a couple listings I want to do. Great prices on these, Bruce. Brand new townhome.
Okay.
A couple years old. Years old. It's been a rental property. Fresh
short
paint.
Term or long term?
This is short term in Sanford, gated townhome community, end unit, so more windows. If you buy a townhome, if you want to go in the townhome market, try and get an end unit. You get more windows, more light. They sell for more. $392,000, best price in the neighborhood. 1,800 square feet, but a 4-bedroom townhome. Very spacious too.
Yep.
You go upstairs and the hallway's wider. It just feels like a 2,000 square foot home.
What's the price on that?
$392 on that one.
Beautiful.
And then we go to Sanford.
Now, if that's short term rental,
long term.
I mean, that one's long term.
Yeah, Sanford. You can't do short term rental.
Okay,
in this neighborhood.
that one's long term rental.
Yep.
All right.
We're going to dive into vacation community next. I don't think I have anything here that would go for Airbnb. This one here, $200,000, downtown Sanford. This house, beautiful property. It's funny. It's an older home. It's literally it's 90 years old. It's been renovated. It needs some renovation now. It doesn't look like it originally did, but it's got 9-foot ceilings, Bruce.
That's incredible.
The guy that built it was really tall. I have no idea how that happened. And this is $199. Homes in this area fixed up, sell for $300. 1,500 square feet. Also 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. So open floor plan, nice size master bath with a closet. Really some great bones on this, as I would say.
How much is that one?
Front porch, that's $199. And this would need
look at that one.
This would need a renovation loan. And it's got a big lot, got a 1/4 acre lot. It would need a renovation loan. It needs appliances and some things like that. But at $199, that's a great fixer upper. And then I've got one at $355, best price pool home anywhere around the Plymouth Sorrento area, Apopka area, right by the 429, half-acre lot, 1,300 square feet, but beautiful yard, beautiful pool, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, in-ground pool. I had somebody the other day bragging about their pool home, and I go, wait a minute, it was above ground. The buyer was so upset. It was an above ground pool. The buyer he called me about this house going, oh, this one looks awesome. It was an above ground pool.
I saw that one.
So $355 for this one in Plymouth. This is an in-ground pool, no HOA, half-acre lot right next to all that growth along the 429 in Apopka. And then I've got one in the Palisades, beautiful community, oversized lots. This is a custom house, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths with a pool, 2,700 square feet. This is about the best price for a pool home in the Palisades. Yes, 5 bedrooms, double masters on this too. The owners renovated. It's got
want to move the in-laws in. There's got
some accessibility issues. It's got a roll-in shower on one side in this one master bedroom, but It's nicely done. Big high ceilings, fresh paint on that, and a 2-car side entry garage.
How much is that one?
That's at $560.
That's
so call me if you want to take a look at those. 407-352-8118. I want to ask you, all right, Bruce, vacation homes. Difference between a vacation home and an investment property. I just had somebody call me from Ohio. They were in sleet and snow last spring, and it was spring almost, and they still had snow, and they're freezing. They're like, I want a vacation home.
Okay.
And I'm talking to them again now. They're thinking about coming down this year before the winter starts to get that second home. What's the requirements on that?
So you can, on a conventional loan, that's your only real product that's an agency type product, is minimum 10% down. 10% down, you can use it as a vacation home. It's not designed to be a rental property. Can you rent it? You can rent it. But if you're going to rent it for more than 6 months a year, you need to buy it as an investment property. Now, is this short-term rental or long-term rental?
This would be, they actually just want it as a vacation home.
Okay.
And they will not be renting at all.
If you want a vacation home, 10% down. You want to rent it out and you want to do short-term rental or long-term rental, then put 20% down, or you could do a DSCR and put 20 to 30% down. And you can rent it all you want. And on the DSCR, remember, I'm only using rent from the subject property as income for you to qualify. I'm not using your job. I'm not using your tax returns. I don't even look at them.
And I want to talk about the Airbnb thing for a bit.
Sure.
Because you have a DSCR for Airbnbs.
Most certainly do.
So you can calculate
so it's
a nightly rent.
The same DSCR. We're just using a different formula for the income that the property produces. And we can use Airbnb income that would be produced for that property.
And here's why I say, and if somebody asks me about buying, now that person lives in Ohio, they want to buy a house here in Central Florida, I'm all for it. When I have my friends here say we should get a vacation home, and I'm like, okay, unless you got massive wealth, don't go in with 3 family members for the cabin in the mountain in Tennessee. It's just, it always ends, it just ends badly, and it's not liquid. out there, all those big vacation homes
Yep.
around SeaWorld. There's some and Kissimmee,
Yep.
all that stuff
Reunion,
around the
Champions
attractions.
Gate.
There's a glut of those.
I know there is.
They're not they are not appreciating assets. There's some of them that cost $1.5 million, Bruce.
I think the problem is I think that a lot of the Airbnb people are cannibalizing their own desire to make income from Airbnb. I've got a guy right now that he wanted to buy Airbnb and he could have made the money and it would have supported the income that he wanted. But there was a couple other people that were desperate to rent and they were renting under market in his area. And that can hurt you. It's almost like a builder undercutting
and
your
here's the
seller.
thing. Call me. You want to buy, you want to sell, you want to become a landlord, call me 407-352-8118. We sell more houses in 1 month than most realtors sell in a year.
Yeah, or call the Loan Arranger. Get your application started for a purchase or a refinance transaction, home equity line of credit, build your own home, renovate a home, buy a home that you want to renovate. Whatever you need, I got it right here. 407-250-9144. Write that down, please. 407-250-9144, or we bring you home.com. Thanks for joining Cleve and I. And don't forget, we're always here to help you, your friends, and your family. I can promise you, you will always get the very best advice and you will get the best service. You'll get the best rates and terms. Just give us a call. That's all you got to do. Have a great weekend.